So the situation is we have damaged lower control arm. We have a little bit damaged shock, brand new shock. We have damaged soles with the yesterday's whiskey. And we have 5 hours of a road trip. So not very exciting things happening at the moment. But the views are beautiful, at least. The views are amazing.
I'm excited we're still going.
Yeah, I'm excited we're still going, exactly as well. Yeah. Where did you take us? Where are we?
So we're at the Sand Hollow State Park. We're about to head up to the lake. You see that the dam? There's a big old lake right there where people play around, but also a bunch of visitors and newbies that go in there and get stuck.
Oh yeah.
And so Matt's Off-Road Recovery makes a ton of money, gets a ton of YouTube views, pulling people out off the sand right here.
That lake is beautiful.
Yeah. This lake is actually pretty high right now. They must have had a lot of rain.
Yeah, but the colors are absolutely beautiful. Like the
Blue with the red.
The blue with the red, and it's like turquoise a little bit, you know, and it's red. So I'm just hoping, Mark, that we don't have to call the Matt's Off-Road Recovery.
And they go straight into the quick.
Oh man.
To the right, to the right.
To the right?
Or left or right.
Well.
You make
So beautiful. Drive from St. George all the way to Flagstaff. The road is absolutely nuts. Alright, so arrived to Flagstaff after multiple hours. There's a lot of them, off-roaders. I think people are just gathering. So we have to set the camp. We bought a lot of food. A lot of food, but I'm sure Robert will be hungry. All set, recharging the batteries, getting some beer, and let's go take a look how the others work. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing. Didn't come here to make recordings. So just today, the start day, we go to our booth, to Wildland, Subaru, and that's gonna be it. Although it's a big show. So Wildland booth. Wildland booth. I know the products, but I just came to say hello. Hi. Wildland International in Flagstaff, Arizona. Overland Expo West. I love these guys' products and I've used them since the last 3 years, and I really highly recommend them because the quality is on point, price is on point, and they last really long. I didn't break any of these stands.
You feel like you've known them your whole life in some way. It must be hard loving everyone so much. It's hard loving.
So what do you think?
It's pretty cool. Definitely unique. Definitely unique.
All right, day number 2 at Subaru of America booth. So we have the dog adoption today going on. We have beautiful vehicles, wonderful people. I mean, the brand's ambassadors are here. A lot of the users. We have the Subaru owner lounge here. We have another setup for the Forester. So you have a dog setup here. So whenever you are a dog lover, you can take your furry friends just here. You can get the ramp, you can get the little box for them. And let's see what's going on with the dog adoption. What's up? So what are we doing here? Yeah, we're adopting some doggies. Tell me something about that.
So today we have a pet adoption event that they're setting up currently that you guys can come in and adopt a dog right now. And we have little raffles that are going on. So if you guys like raffles, we do have raffles that are happening. So you guys can win some prizes.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
so adoptions are from 10 to 2 p.m., 10 a.m. 2 p.m. So come get yourself a dog, you know.
Wow.
Give a dog a loving home.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
And if you guys are a Subaru owner, you guys do get a little bag.
Yes, come
Oh, yeah. Show me the bag. Show me the bag. Show me the bag.
You guys
man.
do get a beautiful bag. Not only do you guys get this bag, you guys do get an ownership loyalty badge as well. And feel free to come inside our lounge as well. We got a little lounge with snacks and drinks.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
So just like you said, you guys are Subaru owners. You guys are more than welcome to coming out in the lounge. You know, get some snacks, some drinks, and just hang out. Stay away from like the windy weather, the sun. And we also have a little dog station as well for people with their dogs to get some water, some bandanas, and little doggy bags. Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we're packing up the camp, wrapping it up. Well, today is Saturday. We're leaving tomorrow. My face is burned. But we decided to stay at the hotel because I'm really exhausted with all the travels, with all the kilometers, with all the flights, and being at the shows all the time. I love it, I enjoy it, but today my body just says that it wants a nice, warm, comfy bed with a very nice, long, warm shower. Family photo, right? Saturday evening Subaru party, Subaru booth party. Just about to start. My nose is red, my face is red, I got really sunburned. Chaos is here. Chaos is here. All of the LED lights, underbody lights are on. So we're gonna have a good party now. Yeah!
And I'll be okay. I'm not big on social races, 'cause they blow down to the oasis. 'Cause I got friends pretty good and low.
Wow, that's a view.
That's a fucking view. Oh my god. We have to find some parking spot. And I think this is like from what my friends recorded, the one who's passed away already. This was, I think, like the main center, whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, as Flagstaff is not far away from Sedona, we've decided to come and see it. I didn't do many reports from the show itself because it was extremely busy. Sedona is just absolutely off hooks. The views, the rock formations all around it. I don't know if you can see that. It's crazy. So now we're gonna go and explore the Sedona a little bit. And then we're gonna go search for some saguaros, some cactuses. Very fast stop in Sedona. A little bit shopping, a little bit pizza. And we're going again on the road. Alright, so we officially found saguaros. And this one is blooming, which CJ says it's not very often that you can see that. And it is huge. How tall it is? 9 meters. So we're just near Phoenix, like 40 miles, 30 miles. All right, let's go see more of these guys. Big ones, smaller ones, very small ones. Millions of them all around. Like single ones, built ones. But this one is absolutely crazy. This one is huge. Again. And they're all blooming. They're all blooming. There are new ones, like the fresh ones. So we are back in California, somewhere on the interstate. Don't remember the number because it's so hot in here. It is 37 degrees Celsius. It's windy, so it's really acceptable, although it's really, really hot. And there's just a highway, or interstate, and all of the mountains and the desert around us. Really beautiful views, a lot of beautiful mountains. And what we've noticed from the road was this abandoned gas station, and we thought it's gonna be actually cool and make some pictures at an abandoned station. Huge hole here. Nearly drove in. Looks dope. It is surreal.